Now as Jannes and Jambres withstood Moses, so do this also resist the truth. They are men of corrupt mind, reprobate concerning the faith. Listen to verse number 9. The Bible said, but they shall proceed no further, for their folly shall be manifest. Go to the amplified version of this version. Yeah, they shall not get very far. Yeah, their meaningless nonsense and ignorance will become obvious to everyone, just as Jannes and Jambres. Go to verse number 8 and turn it into my language. The Bible said, now said Yanbre, any moose DSC, sana we no so and no creno, a DSC, woman nipa, woman can say. Let me tell you, Ghana's number one problem is not adultery. Ghana's number one problem is a mindset. It's not even poverty, it's a mindset. I do not say, the nation is split into two. You may feel it's harsh, but it's true. You may feel it's harsh, but it's true. Oh, I will obey Jimmy for the rest of your life. You will suffer, and it's not demons working that. Waribema with Jimmy. You will suffer, and it's not the devil. I'm telling you the truth. You will be amazed what you will meet. That is where you see pastor sleeping with girls. Internet so and boldly says, as soon as you're honest of way in a way, you're honest of way, and we sit down as a nation and not be ashamed. So for the name so I and one assume as it can plan on it in Timbra. I say. My preaching is not mostly called no, stop it. I'm telling you the scriptures and relate it to your practical life. This is what I'm doing here. I'm showing the way of salvation. I am telling you how to pick up your cross and deny yourself and follow Jesus Christ. I'm showing you how that if he appears, you will appear with him. I'm showing you how you can become the salt of the earth and the light of the world.